What's up, white Lando? aka Lando, come to my YouTube channel. Excuse the mic right here. Y'all deal with it. So today I have a pretty special video for you guys. I don't know if you guys know or not, but there is kind of a ongoing video trend, if you will, in the YouTube beauty community, and it's basically where you try following a fellow beauty guru's makeup tutorial. And I don't know who started this trend, but the first person I saw do it was Thomas Halbert, and so today I'm going to do it as well. Now, the person's tutorial that I'm going to be following is no other than Miss Jackie AINA herself. Miss Jackie, the Queen Auntie Jackie, Miss Lbaaj. So yeah, the video that I chose to do is the sleek, sexy holiday tutorial that she did back in, I want to say November or December. Don't quote me on that month, and I actually chose this tutorial because it is a pretty simple but effective look. And I got places to go, so I ain't trying to be experimental doing no bold eyeshadow look or whatever. Then it end up looking crazy. You know, I'll save that for a whole nother video. But yeah, let's get into it, you guys. Wait, before we get into the video, don't think you're gonna go on watching this video without hitting that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button right here, wherever the hell it is. Y'all know better. Okay.
Hi guys, it's your girl Jackie AINA. Welcome back to my channel. Jackie. Meanwhile, I'm over here looking like the red dancing emoji. You guys know the drill. After primer, I usually apply some powder, and I've become a new believer and a new fan. These are the Evolution powders from Danessa Myricks. So you open it up, blah, 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 and you get some beautiful yellow buttery goodness.
Okay, I don't have that either, so what I'm going to use is my Absolute New York HD Flawless Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Brightening Banana. So I got some on the back of this lid right here. So I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge, and oh god, you guys, I never do this, so wish me luck.
And I'll be applying that into my problem areas. Pretty much the center of my face right in here, right with the pores. The pores do the most clap backage right in here, and I don't appreciate that, especially like right around the holidays. Like, I kind of feel like I'm a better person, you know, like I didn't serve my country for my pores to be doing the most.
Now I'm going to focus this powder pretty much around my nose where I get hella oily. So there's plenty of time in my past videos, within like a few hours, and at the end of the day, all right here ends up looking like I slathered my face in chicken grease, and we cannot have that. Okay? Especially if you're trying to catch us a husband. You know who I'm talking about.
And I still love my sheer glow just a little bit more.
Well, hold up. Okay, I don't have that. So, see, this tutorial is, you know, turning into what I don't have. Which is awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do is mix my Fenty Beauty foundation with the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, because this is too light, and this is like a few shades too dark. So I'm going to mix these two together and hope for the best. Whoa, hold up. First of all, she's doing her foundation before her eyes, which I never do. Okay, y'all know this. Y'all know that I usually do my eyes first, then foundation after. Trying new things. I'll say that is definitely one of the fun things about this little trend, because usually, you know, us who do our own makeup, we have a specific routine that we stick to. And so doing this really forces us to go out the box, if you will, and, you know, follow someone else's beauty regimen. Hold up, I need to put my bonnet on.
Right, using the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Ooh, this is a new one. Ooh.
Oh, okay, she contoured already. Hold up.
And a Sigma. I wasn't going to contour with
I'm going on my moisturizing stick.
I don't want my face looking extra light bright. Using the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Ooh, this is a new one. Ooh. From NARS in the color Almond. And a Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki F79 brush. I'm gonna just attack it. Bam. And apply that under my eyes. See, usually I use the P89, but this is kind of popping.
Okay, concealer, I'm just gonna use my LA Girl.
I am gonna be adding another concealer though. There's levels to this. Don't ever forget that. Yes. All up along here. All up along your temples. How's that for snatched? Blend your forehead contour first before you get into the light part. Like blend from the outside into the center. Just so that it looks more, I'm not gonna say natural, but you know, it just looks more flattering. Ain't nobody got time to be looking at.
Ain't nothing natural about this, sis. Okay, so far this foundation combination is she's looking pretty good. I can't lie. Okay. Alright. I ain't mad at that. If all this powder on my face makes you uncomfortable, good. It should.
Just got that iPhone 10, the X, okay? X. Taking my Beauty Rest palette from Colored Rain.
I don't have
Look how
that.
pretty this is. You got all the basics, it's straight and to the point. I'm taking 99 and using that as a lid color.
Okay, so I don't have that. So instead what I'm going to use is my Beauty Creations Irresistible palette. And that lid shade that she's using looks pretty close to Cypress Umber. So I'm going to take that on my lid. Wait, hold on, Jackie. You just gonna need no transition color, just the lid first? Okay, I trust you. You're the professional, I'm not. So, alright.
Now I'm patting that color on as close to my lash line as possible because I want to try to minimize how much fallout we get. This is definitely not like a throw-on look. Like doing this in steps is going to really give you the best outcome. So take your time, drive slow, homie, okay? So take your time. I'm also rounding the shape. I never really do a round eye. I fallout, no, you not. No, the hell you not. You're not about to come in and mess up all my hard work. I'm gonna take Dust Now and blend that along my bottom lash line.
Okay.
Hard work. I'm gonna take Dust Now and blend that along my bottom lash line.
Okay, so that is looking like a pretty...
Now with my pencil brush.
Hold on, girl. That shade is looking like a pretty reddish brown shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna mix Cypress Umber and Love Letter together and hopefully get the same outcome. Let me tell y'all, this just feels so... This is unnatural. Okay, Jackie, I have a lot of faith in you, so let's hope you can make me look good, because I don't know what is going on right now. Okay?
Good night out. Then to soften up the crease area, I'm going to take Recharge and just start adding that in as a transition color. This is almost kind of giving me Sunset Eye vibes. That's not really the look I was going for, but whatever. Little baby strokes, little baby strokes. Then to soften up the crease area, I'm going to take Recharge and just start adding that in.
And that's looking like Venetian color.
It's almost kind of giving me Sunset Eye vibes. That's not really the look I was going for, but whatever. Little baby strokes, bruh, little baby strokes, bruh. Okay, so here goes my favorite lash for like matte dark smoky eyes.
Hold on now. She's still trying to blend for her life over here.
I really wanted the cheeks to be like warm and youthful and just peachy, so I'm gonna take Rose D'Oro from Milani, and you can really go, well, at least on my skin tone, but it...
Okay, so here I don't own any blushes, so what I'm going to try to do, I don't know what the hell I'm trying to do. I'm just going to this Pro Artist bronzing palette, and I'm going to take this orangey shade and hope for the best. Okay. Now for lashes, I don't remember the name of these lashes. I think they're by Diamond something. I don't remember. So I'm just going to pop these on for like the 500th time because I tried to do this off camera and she wasn't working. How's she looking? She looking crusty as hell. My lashes don't match, but whatever.
Now adding a mystery highlighter.
She's definitely using the peach. So what I'm going to do, oh damn it. What I've been doing lately, I've been taking this e.l.f. Prism palette because it has all these, oh she dusty as hell. She got all these beautiful shimmers. So what I've been doing, I've been mixing the lightest color and this third color right here. So I'm going to go in with this first and third color. I know y'all see that. Hold up. I didn't know that she didn't contour her nose. It's fine. We're going to try something different today.
Okay, make a hole. Okay, so for our lips, which is the star of the show, I really wanted to do this like red ombre stacked look. I've just been into that look lately. It's freaking Pat McGrath. I follow Pat McGrath on Instagram and she's been, all these Facebook ads of her doing these ombre lips have really inspired me lately. So I'm gonna be using the Man Ray Frenard's Holiday 2017 collection. So not only do 3 of the 4 from this set today. So first I wanted to take Endangered Red, which is a pretty deep burgundy plum. Really, really pretty. I'll be using this as a lip liner. And then I'll start blending it and feathering it into the inner corners of my lips. I like covering my Cupid's bow, especially when I'm gonna do a sexy color.
Okay, so I don't have any of those lip colors, but it's looking like a pretty like reddish brown color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix these 2 colors together and hope for the best. This is High Drama. This is a retro matte liquid lip from MAC, and I'm going to mix coffee liquid lipstick from e.l.f. and hopefully get the same results. Oh, okay, this might be a little too berry-ish. What I should have done was put the e.l.f. on one first and then did this. It's a little too late. I'm gonna try to figure this out and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result, and besides the wonky eyelashes, I think it came out pretty poppin'. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little different for me. The eye shape is, well, the eye shape is definitely a little more rounder for me. I usually wing mine all the way out. And my eyelid is definitely different for me because I love doing a shimmer lid. And what is my head doing? Get it together, sis. But other than that, I'm loving it. Also, I don't have a nose contour, which I'm not too mad at. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, my light is a little. There we go. But yeah, that is pretty much it. This was my video. This is, yeah, this is pretty much it for the I Tried Following a Jackie AINA makeup tutorial. I hope it came out good. I hope I did Miss Jackie some justice. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other suggestions of other makeup artists, beauty gurus that you want me to do another one of these videos, try following a makeup tutorial of them, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hit the thumbs up button. Like I said earlier, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you can stay up to date with all my new videos. And of course, watch some of my previous uploads, which I'll leave right here, one right here. And in some of my next videos, I'll vlog for all of you guys. So, I'll just be here. If you can watch the next video, that'd be nice. So, thanks. Okay, these lashes are bothering the hell out of me. These need to come off.